Alright boys, what's up? It's the boy Zay here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make a general YouTube thumbnail. So if you have ever stumbled upon my videos, you might be wondering, oh yeah, how do you make a thumbnail? That's what I'm going to be teaching guys in this video. So first of all, what you need to do is actually, well, actually what I do actually is open up my phone. So I actually have to start a screen recording on it, so I have to sync for a second, so I'll be back. Any of those, so yeah, I already took a screenshot just because honest to God, that's going to be so much work, and I always just already took a video. Any of those, so this is what I do. So first of all, I open this application called Photo Director. So this is what you need to do. So first of all, you open up your screenshot or something like that, and you could hit like effects or something like that, and there's definitely a lot of stuff. So what I like to do is do the blur too and all that type of stuff. Do this, so hold on. So I take this and adjust it like this, and then finally do that, and then do this, and then I could just add some random text. So I'm just gonna write hi. So that's just what I did. And as well, boys, do this and that and that. So that's basically it for a thumbnail, but I usually like to, you know, add some contrast and all that type of stuff. And definitely making thumbnails is pretty easy on the phone, especially this already looks pretty decent right now. You guys are seeing like the thing right here, but it doesn't look that bad actually, but you could add some contrast. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Listen, I'm not gonna make the thumbnail for the video, but I might just save it. So what you do in Photo Director is hit this little button, and it's gonna save to your gallery, I guess, or photos thing, whatever type of phone you have, and you'd be able to like open it up in gallery or whatever. And now I'm gonna just send it over to Google Photos. So this is what I need to do. So first of all, do this. So you guys, I might just cut this part out of the video right now, and yeah. Anywho guys, I'd hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you are like really curious how I make a general YouTube thumbnail, this is how I do it. And as well, I might just flash the thumbnail right on the screen right now, and this is what the thumbnail looks like. It's not the best thumbnail in the world, but definitely it looks pretty decent. But like I said though, this is not really my best work on a thumbnail because I was just showing you guys how I do it. But definitely, if you guys get this software or this application on your phone, just mess around with it as much as you can, because you guys are gonna absolutely enjoy the software. You know, it's a really good software, and definitely I use it a lot actually, to make most of my YouTube thumbnails. In the future though, I will be probably making thumbnails on my computer if I ever decide to watch any tutorials on like any like good photo editing software, whatever type of photo software I might be getting. No, I might not be getting Photoshop because I cannot even afford that. But any of those guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you liked it, and yes, you could make thumbnails with anything, and I'll catch you boys right in the next one.